Now he's taking back speed, and now let's watch here as he's setting up for his deployment of the chutes here momentarily. You can notice that smoke shelter that he has flying behind him is almost straight down there, showing you the minimal wind at all altitudes as he works his way down. And now you can see that beautiful canopy of the United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. Look at that as he just flies that canopy down, getting a great view of the area. Give him a great big yell to wave, folks. He can hear you up there. All right. And
as they do their high-performance canopy turns while streaking towards the ground. As they come into land, please do not be alarmed when they streak towards the ground. That is their goal. They will streak towards the ground and pull up at the last second to glide across the ground as fast as they humanly possibly can. Please do not be alarmed when this happens. The trails of smoke each jumper leaves in the sky are created by two M18 red smoke grenades. These grenades emit a continuous stream of smoke for up to 90 seconds. The jumper attaches these to one foot with a specially designed bracket, and then ties the activation pins to a landing. By pulling on this landing, they can ignite their smoke immediately upon exiting the aircraft, while in free fall, or under canopy. The parachutes used by the Golden Knights are created by flexible wing gliders. They are manufactured with lightweight, grid-stop nylon. They have an inherent forward airspeed of 22 miles per hour. But not these parachutes. They have an inherent forward airspeed of over 70 miles an hour. To become a Golden Knight, each individual must first achieve 75 free fall jumps, be enlisted in the Army, and have a clean military and civilian record. These jumpers now separate as they prepare to go into their individual landing sequences. This first jumper is setting up very carefully. He is about to do a very precise turn and then streak right across those jets. These pilots train year-round on piloting their parachutes, but they always see different canopy. As Sergeant Mark Pierce glides across the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, this is on behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you.
From Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we say.
this jumper is wearing 3 parachutes instead of the 2 we normally wear. He will open his first parachute much higher than normal and intentionally causes some malfunction. Please do not be alarmed as his first parachute begins to streamer. There is absolutely no danger to the jumper. This is our only solo maneuver yet one of our most exciting. Watch closely for that black and gold canopy to its place. This is a perfectly good parachute and can be landed. However, the jumper will reach up and release one side of the parachute, causing it to malfunction. This jumper is now accelerating for its SPs in excess of 90 miles per hour. It would be impossible for this jumper to survive a landing under this parachute, so he must release it completely, return to free fall, and open his main parachute. This is the same procedure a free fall parachutist would use if he were to have a problem with his main parachute. The reserve, or the auxiliary parachute used by the Golden Knights, is also a flexible wing glider, such as the one you see now. However, there are some differences. It is slightly smaller and white in color, with a much smaller wing surface area. This enables the jumper to make it back into any tight situation, such as a downtown intersection or Major League Stadium. While each of the jumpers will repack his or her own main parachute, a certified parachute technician must repack the reserve every 180 days, whether it is used or not. The released parachute you see loaded firstward will be recovered, untangled 47 jump aircraft, and R3 UB-18 Viking twin otters. Our competition section has a four-way freefall formation team. Our tandem section provides tandem parachute jumps to selected VIPs. And finally, our demonstration section consists of two teams. Since the colors of the Army are gold and black, so are the names of our teams. The team performing for you today is the Gold Demonstration Team. And let's get them together. Once they make direct contact with one another, they will exchange a 14-inch mahogany baton. Contact has been made and the baton has been exchanged. They now hold their body position by interlocking their right arms and extending their legs to create forward drive. This creates that magnificent barber pole effect in the sky. These jumpers now separate and prepare to deploy their main parachutes. There you have the high-flying black and gold of your and from night operations to pinpoint anti-piloting accuracy. Jumpers hone their skills in order to safely overcome any tricky situations the upcoming airshow season might bring. To become a Golden Knight, an individual must first be enlisted in the Army, have 75 free-fall parachute jumpers, have a clean civilian and military record, prior to applying to the annual Golden Knights assessment and selection. During assessment, candidates are evaluated for 8 weeks on character traits including discipline, dedication, teamwork, and attention to detail. Now let's give these next two jumpers a hand as they set up over the target and bring it on down to smash that fabric. During tryouts, candidates will execute an average of 10 free-fall jumps per day. They become human airfoils gaining lift as they shoot across the sky at speeds of 180 miles per hour. As these two jumpers execute 180-degree turns, they are nearly 1.5 miles apart due to this tremendous amount of lateral separation. Each jumper must first locate that thin trail of red smoke on the horizon, then trace it down to his partner, who appears much like a guided missile streaking back towards him. They will cross 10 inches of each other with a combined closing speed of over 300 miles per hour. Watch the left dive, watch the right, and watch for the cross. These jumpers just crossed 10 inches of each other with a combined closing speed of 1,000 feet. He gives a thumbs up, signaling the wingman and swept wire to close in with a tight diamond formation. These jumpers are now flying nearly inches apart and will make no physical contact while in the tight diamond formation. As they approach 5,000 feet, the team leader will clap up, signaling all of the jumpers to perform our bomb burst maneuver. Watch the parachutes. Once again, the high